Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to discuss the seamless software updates feature of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. This new feature promises to make updating your device easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a smoother experience with software updates, this video is for you. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series will support seamless updates. This means that updates can be installed in the background, reducing downtime and making the process more convenient for users. You won't have to wait for your device to reboot during updates, as everything happens seamlessly in the background. This feature ensures that your device remains up to date with the latest software improvements without interrupting your daily activities. Seamless updates were first introduced in Android Nougat 7.1 back in 2016. This feature has been gradually adopted by various manufacturers, including Samsung. In fact, Samsung previously added seamless updates to the Galaxy A55, providing a more efficient and user-friendly update process. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is taking this feature to the next level, ensuring a smoother and more reliable experience for users. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to launch early next year. Among the new models, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out, as it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This powerful processor will enhance the device's performance, making it a top contender in the smartphone market. The combination of seamless updates and high-performance hardware ensures that the Galaxy S25 series will deliver an exceptional user experience. The introduction of seamless updates in the Galaxy S25 series is a significant step forward in improving the overall user experience. This feature not only enhances convenience but also ensures that users always have access to the latest features and security improvements without the hassle of manual updates. Stay tuned as we explore more about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series and other upcoming tech innovations. The seamless updates feature is set to make a significant impact, and we're excited to see it in action. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights. Your support helps us bring you the best in tech news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.